request Akhandadhi Prabhu to, give his concluding remarks.
There's been so much offered and shared throughout this weekend that it has been as voluminous, and even then it's just given us an inkling of the extent of Vedic knowledge, even of what we know of Vedic knowledge. And I am so grateful to the organizers. On behalf of the Bhaktivedanta Institute, we played a very small part from our side. The real work was done here by Prem Gauranga, Pavaneshwar, and all the team. We are so grateful to Govardhan Eco Village for hosting us. And particularly, we're so grateful to all our esteemed guests and speakers coming. I thought I would put together a presentation of the 108 best ideas of the weekend and go through them one by one for you now. No, I won't. Instead, I'll just ask the question, what can we learn by looking into the skies? Well, let me tell you a story. Sherlock Holmes, the famous investigator and detective, was on a case with his assistant, Dr. Watson. They finished the case, and they thought they'd explore the nice rural area in the English countryside. And there was no place to stay, but they had their tent. They went into this beautiful field in a lovely location, out in the open, and pitched their tent, pegged it all out, and crawled inside to take rest. In the middle of the night, Sherlock Holmes prodded Dr. Watson. Dr. Watson, Dr. Watson, wake up, wake up, wake up. You have to see this. And he said, okay, what is it? He said, look into the sky. What do you see? And Dr. Watson said, I see the stars. I see the planets. Yes, but what does this mean to you? And Dr. Watson said, well, astrologically, it kind of means that looks like Saturn is in Leo. And by the position of where the planets are, I could probably tell it's around 3 a.m. in the morning. And because it's a clear sky, I can probably surmise that tomorrow might be a nice day. And when I look at the vastness, I might ponder my kind of smallness in the whole of existence. And Sherlock Holmes went, dear, oh dear, oh dear. No, doctor. The fact that you can look up in the stars means that someone has stolen our tent. So here's the challenge to us. There's so much in our knowledge of the skies and astrology and cosmology, but we have to ground it. As they say, we cannot be so heavenly minded that we are no earthly use. We have to take the realizations and the understanding of the cosmos and the purpose of it and what is beyond it and bring that into our own lives and share it for the benefit of the world and all people. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Thank you. I think that was so perfect.